Hello guys, thanks for tuning in, and we have got another thing to unbox on our channel. This would be our third unboxing or something. Yeah, it's a little small thing, but we have got to do unbox and look at our first impressions, how it goes. So let's start the unboxing now. Now, so when we cheer up and take this product out, I didn't even take this out. Yeah, you got it. This is such satisfying, this packet. And yes, we have got something. We have got the Realme Buds Classic. These are from Realme. It has got bass boosted drivers and is designed by Richard Bass, and has also got a single button, but that's multifunctional. You can answer or change your music track and end the calls with that button. It has got inline HD microphone and also an built-in cable organizer to manage your tangled wires. So let's unbox and see how the first impression goes. When you first remove this plastic wrap, you have got the box in the Realme yellow trademark color, and when you have got another plastic seal out here which you can easily break through. We have got to break the seal over here, and we have got to slide up this thing out, and here we go. First impressions and first look, Realme Classic Buds in the black variant. Let's put the box aside. We have got some documentation down here, Realme Buds Classic, which we usually don't read. And let's head over to the earphones now. We have got another, no, that's all we got. Do we receive a warranty? No, we receive a 6 months warranty from Amazon. I'm not sure about Realme. So this is how the box designed it. It's quite simple and minimalistic. We have got the buds over here. It comes with half in-ear design like the Apple's in-box earphones do. Sorry, did I say in-box? They don't come now. They are out of the box. You got to buy them separately, and charger too. So these are the earphones with complete build material of plastic out here, but they seem like professional and classic like the name does. It has got a stylish finish, and we have got the cable organizer out here. We're gonna use it, and that's it. That's the earphones. It's got a 3.5 mm jack, our lovely 3.5 mm jack. Realme has considered and said that this one comes with 14.2 mm large bass boosted drivers, which will not let your bass go flat like the other earphones go in this price range. For me, this price range, this is the best you can afford, or the best you can get. It is the same. So let's test the bass now. Let me connect to a device, and let's put a non-copyright song so that our video doesn't get copyrighted. So let's search for one. We have got the sound coming out from the earphones, and let me take the earphones near to the mic. I hope you can listen to it. I hope you can feel the bass coming out from the earphones. When put together, they sound like this. They sound really amazing. I'm saying you can just go and buy this one. They're just amazing at this price point, and has got amazing noise cancellation. If you just plug them in, you can't even hear your own voice talking. I may feel like shouting now cause I have plugged the earphones in and I can't even hear my own voice. But if at large volumes, the voice is expected to go out and may be hearable, audible to your neighbor sitting next to you. So this is an amazing buy at this price point, and it's on sale now. You can just go and grab it. It's just a piece to grab, guys. It's nothing to think about. It's just an amazing and superb deal. You have got also got the cable organizer for tangled wires. This build quality you might be asking for and seeing for, this is not a braided cable. This has got some spandex type of cable. You can just tangle easily, but I don't think it will tear out soon. It will come a long way. These earphones may fit for someone, may not fit for someone, I don't know. These have got the glossy finish and half ear in design makes it seem like Apple's AirPods without my wire if it is. So you can just go and grab it, guys. That's the best deal for you. And that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates on tech. I'll be coming up with some more interesting unboxing in coming up couple of weeks. So just tune in and hit the subscribe button, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates on tech. And adios, see ya.